Hey, what's up? This is Michael de Cruz, and there's a good chance that you're looking to starting a business. Well, my friend, in this video, I'm going to show you how to start an online business in 2 weeks and have everything all done for you. So stay tuned. All right, and here we go. So if this is your first time, getting to this video or this channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. That way you don't really, miss out on any of my upcoming videos regarding, making money online, regarding building a profitable business, or simply, working from the comfort of your home, right? So if those topics interest you, don't forget to subscribe because I share, videos regarding how you can really be successful at those things on a daily basis. Okay, so let's go ahead and get to it. So how can you build an online business in only 2 weeks and having everything already done for you? Well, my friend, that's actually through this company here called Legendary Marketer, which I highly recommend. And I actually left you a link below this video on the description. Go click on my #1 recommendation. That way you can learn more about, and that way you can know and really get started. Okay, so let me go ahead and go through it very quick. So there's this company offers a good training that if you follow this training and follow what the advisors tell you to do, the steps, I'm pretty sure that you're going to be profitable. I'm pretty sure that you're going to really have a business within 2 weeks. Okay, just by following the steps here, really simple steps. And again, you're gonna be held on. Your hands are gonna be held on by somebody that's really care about your success. So don't think in any moment that you're gonna be starting this and just be left alone, because a lot of people don't get to start a business this fast. um, you know, because they don't really have somebody there holding their hand, telling them, do this, do that, and really helping them out, right? So this is what you're going to be learning on day one. So on day one, you're going to be learning about the #1 secret to building a high ticket and high profit business online. Okay, that's day #1. So once you finish these steps, on day 15, you're going to be you're gonna have a business already set up and done for you, because a lot of times people don't have the resources, or don't have the time to build a business, because they have to spend time creating things themselves, techie stuff. But with this right here, you can actually start a business within 15 days without any experience, without having to be technical, without a college degree. If you don't have a college degree, don't worry, you can actually do this. But that's what you're going to be learning on day #1. Just have to follow the steps, because you're going to be having clarity by going through this. Okay, and this is going to help you succeed. So on day #1, you have assignments here. You're going to complete a little quiz, and this gives the business plan advisor an idea of where you're at, and that way they can help you better. That's all that is. Okay, so on day #2, you're going to be going over the core four, which is the top high ticket business models online. So if you're looking to earning high profit, if you're looking to earning building wealth in a profitable online business, my partner here, his name is Dave Sharp, is going to go over the top high ticket business models for you to model and be profitable in, right? So that's day #2. I'm gonna go through these very quick. You can actually learn more about it again by clicking the link below and getting started yourself. Okay, but I'm just gonna go here and scrolling very quick, so that way I don't take too much of your time, and just giving you an idea here how fast you can actually have a business already set up and already done for you. So on day #3, um, you know, uh, my business partner here is gonna show you how to build a business in under 30 minutes. So you're gonna have again a schedule with your business plan advisor, and you're gonna be shown how to really build a funnel, right? So this is pretty cool, this training here. So you can get started in the 30 minutes. You can already have a business, right? How cool is that? Day #4 is going to be going on how to master the inner game of wealth. So again, you're looking to building wealth. Day #4, you're going to be shown how to master that, how to create wealth in a profitable online business. All right, so day number 5 is actually the big day, right? That's where you're going to be developing your business plan. So you're going to be taking a class, a really good class that I myself went through and got so much value. So if you're looking to, if you want to start a business and you don't know where to begin, you don't know how you're going to get started, how you're going to make it profitable, day number 5 is the big day, right? It's the day that you're going to have your business plan set up for you, so that way you know a roadmap on how to get there and how to start and where to go. It's just kind of like the GPS of your success. It's going to tell you how to go from point A to point B, and based on what you really want, right? So that's day number 5. Also, you're going to getting access to some cool resources, some cool bonuses for free on top of that. So this is a good class to take. That's a day number 5. On day number 6, you're going to be going over, if you have questions, it's kind of like a Q&A, and you're going to be learning about, things that you might not even thought about. So this day number 6 is all about answering your questions, and it's a pretty cool training to go through. Day number 7, if you're looking to quitting your job, this part right here is going to show you when should be a good time to quit your job and go full-time in your business. So if you've been going on the fence, should I quit my job and then start a business, or should I stay at my current job and build a business on the side? This right here will tell you when it's a good time to do it, right? Because you don't there's actually a path to disaster in your financial future if you take it. But going through this day, to this video here, or this training, is going to show you when it's a good time to go ahead and quit your current job and go full-time into that online business you wanted to start. Okay, so it's a good step to go through. Day number 8, Dave is going to go to what are the high income skills and why do you need them, right? And then on day number 9, he's going to start talking about each of those skills. So the high income skill number 1 is lead generation. Of course, every online business knows that they need to be generating leads on a constant basis. People that they can talk to, people that are interested in doing business with them, right? That's what a lead is, right? Somebody that showed interest in something that you're offering. So lead generation is the first high income skill. The second high income skill is actually copywriting, which is writing compelling content for those leads, right? Day number 11 is actually talking about high income skill number 3, which is sales and presenting. So those three skills right there that I went over are actually skills that you need, to run a profitable online business. Okay, and in each of those days, my business partner here is going to go over what each of them are, so that way you have clarity. And again, you don't have to know all of this stuff yourself, because again, this company allows you to have everything done for you while you learn. Okay, so you're going to be having an online business that's profitable while you're learning how, each of these components here. On day number 12, is going to be Dave is going to be talking about what to outsource. Starting an online business can be a headache and can be frustrating, especially because when you're starting out, you're doing all the tasks yourself. That's why most people fail in business, and why most people are afraid to starting any type of business, because they think that they're gonna have to do every little thing themselves, and that can be time consuming. Okay, so in this training on day number 12, my business partner here is going to go over what to outsource, because you're going to have, as your business grows, you're going to have to outsource certain tasks. That way it's freeing up time from your schedule, so you can do the things that you enjoy doing. Okay, so that's day number 12. Day number 13, Dave here is going to go over using OPM to build your business. Now, what is OPM? OPM is simply other people's money. So a lot of a lot of the limitations that people have when starting a business is that they don't know, they don't have the resources, they don't have the financial resources or the capital to start a business and to grow a business, right? So Dave here shows you how to use other people's money, or OPM, to build your business. pretty cool stuff there. Day 14, Dave is gonna go over to how to avoid the entrepreneur syndrome, right? And entrepreneur syndrome is like a lot of people when they want to do something, they want to start a business or they want something that they have in mind that's gonna really help them, succeed. They just don't take action on it, right? They just want to do it, but they have a problem is that they're not willing to, they're not conditioned to to take action to get what they want. So my partner here, business partner here, goes over how to avoid that. Okay, so that way you don't get stuck and you take action and you start you know you you start getting profitable and achieving success in your business. The last day is pretty much a big congratulations, right? It's just letting you know congratulations, because most people that want to succeed, most people don't do this. They don't complete what they started. So day 15 will really tells me and tells my partner here that you're really serious about this, that you really care about your success, you really care about your financial future, and therefore he will congratulate you for it. I will personally congratulate you for it too. And basically, this is right here. By this time here, you will already have a business. So that's been 2 weeks of of going through this orientation, going through some eye-opening information. And once you complete that in those processes, you're gonna already have a done for you business. I'm talking about done for you products. I'm talking about done for you, websites, that all you got to do is drive traffic, and also done for you traffic. So if you don't have the means, as I said, if you don't have the means of generating leads, which is the #1 income, high income skill, then this company right here will provide you with traffic. That all you got to do is really send traffic into the website. It's going to be given to you for being involved with this company, and all you got to do is just drive traffic to those websites, and then you're going to be seeing results. You're going to be starting generating sales. You're going to start seeing your business grow, which is the most incredible thing to see. Once you have that, once you made that first sale, then it's really an incredible feeling. That's what happened to me when I made my first sale. I was like, man, this thing is really gonna work. This thing really works, and my skepticism went away right away. And trust me, a lot of businesses out there, like a lot of franchises, they want to charge you an arm and a leg in order for you to get started. And with an online business, especially an online business like this one, you won't have to do that, right? You don't have to really make that much of an investment in order to get started, and you will see you will see that when you get to that video, when you get to the link that I left you below. So if you want to know what is my #1 recommendations to starting a profitable online business, or you don't know where to begin, I left you a link below this video. Go ahead and click that link and access that information. It's all the details to this to this challenge here that you're looking at, and then it will give you the opportunity to get started. Okay, it's gonna be really profitable for you. It's gonna really be very I'm pretty sure that if you follow this training here, and if you follow the business advisor's plan and steps, you're going to be highly profitable as well. So again, this is Michael de la Cruz, and I really hope you like this video. Go ahead and click like, because it helps the video out. And also, again, if this is your first time here, go ahead and subscribe. That way you don't miss out on my upcoming videos regarding this topic and other topics that has to do with making money online, working from home, and building a profitable online business. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you next time.